This video will demonstrate how to play the F minor chord in its root position, the first inversion, the second inversion, and how to play with two hands. To play the root position, we're going to start with the F note, followed by the A flat, followed by the C note. When played together, that creates the F minor in its root position. If you start with the A flat to the C to the F, when played together, that creates the first inversion of the F minor chord. Now for the second inversion, if you start with the C note, followed by the F, followed by the A flat, when you play those together, that creates the second inversion of the F minor chord. If you'd like a more full sounding F minor chord, you can just repeat the patterns on any two octaves, creating a more full sounding F minor chord. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.